So Sophrology is a stress management and a self-development practice that combines relaxation with breathing, with visualization and body awareness. Good morning.
Hello. We're going to leave on the side all the agitation of the day or the agitation of the week. We're really getting into a little bubble. And we're going to connect a little bit more, a little bit deeper to the different parts of the body.
So it's been life-changing for me, and that's where my passion stems, to spread the benefits.
It was a very, very cool thing to start your day with.
I know that every time you will practice, you will strengthen something inside you. An ability to visualize more clearly, to be more centered in the moment.
That was quite amazing, actually.
I really enjoyed it. It was quick and efficient, but still very, very good for your body and mind.